Hey there, beautiful souls! Welcome to our channel. Today we're about to embark on a journey into the secret world of a tiny bottle with mighty powers, Castor Oil. This is no ordinary oil, it's a game changer. From luscious locks to radiant skin, stay tuned as we uncover the 7 mind-blowing benefits of Castor Oil. Ready to transform? Let's dive in. Number 7. Deep moisturization. Experience the luxurious hydration of castor oil as it penetrates deep into your skin, providing an unparalleled level of moisturization. Packed with fatty acids, this natural elixir nourishes your skin from within, leaving it soft, supple, and rejuvenated. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to a radiant glow. Whether it's your face, hands, or body, castor oil's deep moisturization is a game changer in achieving skin that not only looks healthy, but truly feels it. Discover the transformative power of deep hydration with castor oil, nature's remedy for radiant, silky smooth skin. Number 6. Promotes youthful-looking skin. Castor oil is a collagen-boosting powerhouse, playing a vital role in maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. With age, collagen production diminishes, giving rise to wrinkles and fine lines. Incorporating regular use of castor oil into your skincare routine can stimulate collagen synthesis, fostering a rejuvenated and plump complexion. Unleash the natural potential of castor oil to defy the effects of aging, promoting a more youthful appearance with enhanced skin texture and resilience. Number 5. Scar and stretch mark reduction. Experience the transformative prowess of castor oil in diminishing scars and stretch marks. Its moisturizing prowess enhances skin elasticity, gradually making scars and stretch marks less prominent. Leveraging its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil further aids in reducing redness and inflammation linked to these skin imperfections. With consistent use, watch as your skin undergoes a revitalizing journey, becoming smoother and more supple, while scars and stretch marks fade into the background, revealing a more confident you. Number 4. Soothes dry and itchy skin. Castor oil will become your skin's closest friend. Say goodbye to dry, itchy skin. This natural elixir profoundly hydrates. With its powerful moisturizing characteristics, so bid discomfort a fond farewell. Let castor oil be your go-to treatment for any dry climate or skin issue. Accept the coziness of healthy, itchy-free skin, which will make each day enjoyable. Number 3. Prevents skin infection. Guard your skin against infections with a protective shield of castor oil. Packed with antimicrobial properties, this natural elixir creates a formidable defense, preventing the onset of skin infections. By inhibiting the growth of harmful microorganisms, castor oil ensures your skin remains a healthy, resilient barrier. Incorporate it into your routine to experience the proactive care that keeps infections at bay. Embrace the purity and strength of castor oil as it becomes your ally in maintaining robust, infection-resistant skin. Number 2. Natural cleanser. Transform your skincare routine with castor oil, the ultimate natural cleanser. Its emollient properties effortlessly dissolve impurities, excess oil, and makeup, leaving your skin cleansed and refreshed. Acting as a gentle yet effective purifier, castor oil unclogs pores, promoting a clearer complexion. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and embrace the simplicity of nature's cleansing solution. Add castor oil to your daily routine for a pristine, revitalized canvas, letting your skin breathe and radiate its natural beauty. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory action. Immerse yourself in the soothing benefits of castor oil's anti-inflammatory action. This natural elixir calms inflammation, providing relief for various skin concerns. By curbing inflammatory responses, castor oil becomes a gentle yet potent ally against redness and irritation. Whether facing skin conditions or environmental stressors, let castor oil be your calming companion. Experience the tranquility of a balanced complexion as castor oil harmonizes with your skin, alleviating inflammation and contributing to an overall healthier, more serene skin journey. And there you have it, folks, the amazing benefits of castor oil. I hope you're as excited as I am to integrate this natural powerhouse into your daily routine. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends who need to know about the magic of castor oil. Subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay naturally fabulous.